Students, see question number 8. This is the figure. Question is, in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C. Here is right angle. Angle C is 90 degree. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. This means AM equal BM. This is the midpoint of hypotenuse. And C is joined to M and produced to a point D, such that DM equals CM. That is given DM equal CM. Show that we have given triangle A, in triangle ABC, angle C equal 90 degree and M is the midpoint of AB and CM equal DM. Prove that here are four parts. First part is triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. Second one, angle DBC is a right angle. Angle DBC is a right angle. Third part is triangle DBC congruent triangle ACB, and last one is CM is equal half of AB. This is we have to prove. Now proof. First one is AMC equal BMD. AMC equal BMD. This one. In triangle, first part. In triangle AMC and triangle BMD. AM equals C. In this triangle, this one, AM equal BM. AM equal BM. This one, CM equal DM. CM equal DM. And this angle, this one, equal to angle this. Angle AMC equal angle BMD. First point is here region will be given. We have given here M is the midpoint of this, then this equal this. AM equal B. We can write given, or M is the midpoint of AB. Anyone. Next, that is given. That is given. Next point, these are vertically opposite angle. So triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. So first part is proved. Reason is by a side angle side rule or side angle side congruency criteria. Next part, second part. See second part. we have to prove this one DBC is 180 degree. Now this angle, this equal this angle CAM equal angle DBM by CPCT means this triangle and this triangle are congruent, then corresponding parts of this triangle will be equal. But you can write the side, whole side, you can take whole side means, or angle CAB and here DBA, angle DBA. Now you can understand better because this will be transversal and both will be parallel. So you can write here, but these are alternate angles. We know if alternate angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. Therefore, AC will parallel to DB. These will be parallel. Now take here. Now angle ACB plus angle DBC will equal 180 degree because these are parallel and this one BC is transversal. Then angles on the same side of transversal are equal. If lines are parallel and intersect by transversal, then angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, or sum of these angles will be 180 degree. You can write the region angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Sum of these angles will be 180 degree. But we have given the angle ACB equal 90 degree or right angle. Then you can put here 90 degree or 90 degree plus angle DBC equal 180 degree, or angle DBC equal 180 degree minus 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. The second part is completed. This one, or DBC is a right angle, or angle DBC equal 90 degree. That is right angle. See, next part. See third part. Now third part. Now triangle DBC, this one, DBC and ACB. Take in triangle DBC and triangle ACB, angle ACB, sorry, you take here angle DBC equal angle ACB, that is proved above. And this one AB will equal take first this one, BC equal BC, that is common side, common. Third point, this angle, this and angle, this angle CAB, angle CAB will equal angle angle CAB. Here is CAB and this one, this side, no, this one, no, this one, this side, angle CAB, one angle, and this one, no, this, no, and this equal this AC. Yes, you can take side AC, sorry, take first this corresponding side of the triangle. DB will equal to AC, because we have proved these are congruent triangle ACM, first part, triangle AMC, congruent triangle BMD. If these triangle are congruent, then corresponding parts, this one will equal to this one by CPCT. So the triangle will be congruent. Triangle DBC and triangle ACB will be congruent by side angle side, SAS congruency, SAS. This one is third part. Now fourth part, fourth and last. This part, fourth part is AB or equal CD, or CD, since AB equal CD, because because CP CT by CP CT. Yeah, so you can write this. Since triangle CM, hold this triangle ACB congruent triangle DBC by CPCT, these will be equal. This side, this one will equal to this one. Now this is the sum of two parts, CM and MD. CM plus DM, or these are equal, these are given equal, so you can write CM plus CM. Since CM is equal DM, that is given, so here is 2CM, left hand side is AB. Now take 2 in left hand side, this will be 1 upon 2, AB equal CM, or CM is equal half of AB. So this is question number 8.